Today we're going to Japanese onsen, proper Japanese onsen. So, your first time, right?
Yeah, first time.
All right. Obviously, we can't film inside of the bath because everyone naked. I mean, yeah, right. So we're filming before we go to the onsen and after we go to the onsen. What do you think about onsen? Like, have you got any image or something?
It's pretty unheard of to take off all your clothes and go somewhere in U.S. and Canada. So this is going to be definitely an interesting experience for
Yeah.
sure. More freeing.
More freeing.
You know?
feel kind of weird if you get naked like in front of like strangers.
I guess, yeah, from my perspective, it's weird. But I also think it's, it's the cultural difference, You should be comfortable in your own skin. Is there like a male, female separate or together?
Of course, it's separated because we get naked, of course. It's like, it's mixed one. Then we have to like wear like swimming suits. But this one, it's separated.
Right.
So yeah, I'm sorry for that.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get into it.
Sounds good.
Come on. You ready?
Good to go. First experience.
Yeah, there's lessons as well inside. I don't know. Wait. Hold on, you have to take off shoes.
Oh,
yeah.
Sorry.
That's sorry.
And socks? Just the shoes?
Yeah, just shoes, yeah.
Okay.
So it's local. This is a massage chair.
Oh, okay. Very fancy.
Very fancy, yeah. So from here, we can't film. So I mean, you can go to the left side if you want.
No.
But you're gonna get arrested.
I'll get in trouble.
So let's get going to the bus for men. We just came out of the ocean. How was it?
I don't even know where to start, honestly. It definitely surpassed my expectations. It was amazing. Just going from the sauna to the ice bath and doing that over and over. It's a feeling I've never felt.
How do you feel like?
It felt like a drug. It's just a whole body high. It's definitely something I look forward to doing again, that's for sure.
Yeah?
Yeah,
That's
absolutely.
Cool. How about like when you like get naked and in front of like strangers? Do you feel like embarrassed or something?
I expected that I would need a lot more time to adjust to it, but there's no adjustment needed necessary. I got used to it right away. It was very accepting.
That's nice.
For
That's
sure.
nice. Like, how do you rate it? Like, out of 1 to 10?
1 to 10, the experience is a 10. It's as good as it gets, in my opinion.
Yeah.
It sounds like a stretch, but I wouldn't give it a 9. I'd give it a 10.
Okay,
nice.
Cool. So we are hungry now, so we're going to ramen, like local, authentic Japanese ramen. So, yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Let's go. This is it. First time
A ramen experience.
experience in Japan.
Yes. You set the bar high.
Yeah, it's gonna be surpass your expectation,
Yeah?
Yeah. 3です。
真ん中のテーブル席にお願いします。
We usually have this one, Kokuma Tonkotsu Ramen.
That's what you recommend?
Yeah, this most popular.
Most popular な。
It's the most popular, 人気ナンバーワン。Yeah.
注文どうしましょう。また後ほどで。
後でいいですか?
What is it?
That one is tea.
Tea.
Yeah, ocha. I think it's麦茶.
以上で。
いや、ビール。
ビール。
生ビール?
Yeah. Asahi.
お待たせします。メニューお使いします。
I barely have ramen in Canada just because I don't know. It's not really good. It doesn't look good. Not much appeal to it. It's just very simple. I think that beats it.
お待たせしました。生ビールになります。
Wait. Cheers.
Cheers.
乾杯.
Kambai?
乾杯.
Kampai.
Me cheers. うまい。うまい。
Umai?
Good.
Good.
Delicious.
I think I was watching this Japanese television show, and it was these three people who were going to restaurants and trying them out. Two women and then one guy. And it was so funny because the guy was clearly an alcoholic. He would bottom every beer that he got, and every drink that he got, he would bottom it for no reason.
No, there's a reason he's alcoholic.
Yeah. But what you just said is that's what he would say when he slammed the beer down on the table. What did you just say? Umai?
Umai.
Umai, yeah. He said it like, umai, like that.
You can say that as well.
Sorry?
You can say that as well.
Yeah, now I can do it.
So today we're having like pork ramen,
Nice.
tonkotsu ramen. So nice. I can't wait. Where's my food? Chop chop. What's your first impression?
It's looking good.
Looks good.
Looking really good.
ありがとう。Go for it. Enjoy.
You gotta show
You have to
me.
say-
You
you have
gotta
to
show me what to do here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry, you have to say いただきます first.
I say sorry.
いただきます。
You gotta say
い
that
ただき
slow.
ます。Before you start like eating something, you have to say いただきます. Okay. いただきます.
You're saying it really fast.
Put your hands, and then
Got it.
いただきます. いただきます.
Itadakimasu.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Itadakimasu.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
So first, we put one like soup.
Tastes pretty good.
Right?
The broth is good.
And you know how to use chopstick?
No, I don't. But I make do.
Oh. This, then
It's hot, but it's good. Really good.
マジでうまい.
They've like wrapped like pork all around the bowl, which is really interesting. I've never seen that before.
Like soak into soup.
Oh, soak it. Highest echelon.
How do you find it?
It's good. I like it. I've had a lot of like udon and soba. This is a little different.
Is there any difference between ramen in Japan and ramen in Canada?
Oh, it's nothing like this in Canada.
Yeah?
Yeah, the noodles aren't like this in Canada.
Yeah, I
You'd wait for them to come to you, but they don't here, right?
It's a bit rude, right? If you do that.
It feels rude.
But you can do that today because in Japan.
This feels weird. He's coming by anyways. Sumimasen. Sorry? I don't think you heard me. Sumimasen. Hi. Sorry, just I just get more noodles
買い物いいね。はい。
and
パ
then
スタはどうしましょう
and then a beer.
か。ラー油で。はい。
型で頼む。
硬いね。はい。
パーフェクト。
Oh my.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice, うまい. After you finish eating something, we say ごちそうさまでした.
Yeah, it's way too fast.
ごちそう
Gochso.
ごちそう
Gochso.
さまでした.
Sama desu. Sama
でした.
deshita.
ごちそうさまでした.
Gochso sama deshita.
手を合わせてごちそうさまでした.
Sama deshita.
Would you like ramen on a scale 1 to 10?
Solid 8.
Huh?
Solid 8.
Sorry, the 8.
Yes.
I see 8. Alright.
I think udon in Osaka was like nice.
Oh, okay.
Really good.
He prefers udon over ramen so far.
So far.
Yeah.
This is still very good.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.
And subscribe.
Please. Subscribe. Yeah. Alright. So bye bye.
How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is a city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend